Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to factory reset your Eero 6 Pro. In this video I want to show you how to factory reset your Eero 6 Pro. To do this, click and hold the button on the bottom of the device for 15 seconds. Wait until the LED lamp turns red, then let go of the button. Wait about 1 minute until it disconnects from all devices and sources. You might need to put a little bit of force to press the button. Your device has successfully performed the factory reset. That's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment below.